So today's topic is how do we reach out to the management and ask them queries or ask them for any clarifications. So while researching a company, you might be having some queries, and there are many queries regarding related party transactions and the sorts of like clarifications needed in any balance sheet item or PNL. So we ask the management, we reach out to the management in this particular ways. The first way to ask your queries is to attend the management con call, which is conference call, and usually it is arranged after every quarterly result is published. So management gives prior intimation that we are going to conduct a conference call which is live on so and so date at particular time, and on the same notification the management gives you a number where you can call and ask your queries. Usually the number is toll free number, and you can join the con call and ask any of your queries. So this is how you can attend the con call, and you can ask any of your queries to management, and there is no restrictions key. Only institutional investors or high profile investors can join. Retail investors too can join the con call and ask any query to the management, and the management would respond to all the queries live on call. Usually per chance you are given two queries to ask. You are allowed to ask two queries, and if you have more queries, more than two, you can rejoin the queue and ask the related queries. And in case you miss out to attend the con call, you may refer to con call transcripts, which is usually in text or PDF form, and there are pretty high chances that similar query of yours might be asked by some other person. So you can find out through con call transcripts too, which is published by the company, and you can find it on company's website or on BSE. In case you don't find the you missed out the con call to attend live, or you don't find the con call transcripts, there is other way too. There is a YouTube channel called Trendline, which is, I'll spell out, TRENDLYNE, which is a YouTube channel, and you can just go through the YouTube channel and search for con call. Usually they upload the con calls in video format, and you can just go through previous con calls of management. In case you're not able to find your related queries or not getting answers from these con calls, there is another way to reach out to the management, which is you write down to the investors relation department of that particular company, and usually the details of person in charge of the investors relation department is uploaded on the company's website. The contact details may include the contact number or email or both of a relevant person to ask your investing queries. And the person in charge of the investor relation department is usually the company secretary. Okay, and here you would be seeing a strip which is about ITC. So if you see here, which is investors relation, I'll show you a live example how you can reach out to the ITC's management. So let's open the ITC portal, and here investors relation, if you can see, this is investors relation. You will just scroll down to the investors relation department. Okay, and just scroll down, you will be finding details about the contact details about the management. Yeah, see here, this is the address for correspondence. You can write down to this address, or you can just email the particular email ID which is given here, isc@itc.in. Also, the company has provided the telephone numbers as well as the time you can call them. Okay, so this is how you can reach out to the management. Either you can write a letter asking your queries to this department, this particular address, or you can email, which is usually used now. This is like traditional way. I think nobody is using this thing, but yeah, this is the way. You ask your query on this ID or call the management, and usually you will get answers to your queries. So this is how you reach out to the company's management, and in all the companies there is particular tab on their website which is investors relation, and you will be finding all the details of the management to whom ask your investing queries. We'll move further with the next part. Okay, while writing down your emails or while contacting the investors relation department, it's better that you mention your or you share your DPID while contacting the company. because this helps ascertain the relevant person that you are a genuine person with vested interest in the affairs of the company and not a random person. And if you provide your DPID, it shows that you are sincere about your queries and clarification. And the relevant person may go through the records of particular, shareholders register and find out that yeah, you are shareholder, and the chances of getting a response from that person, that relevant person, is pretty high if you mention your DPID while contacting them. The last thing, should you always expect a response from the investors relations officer? The answer is no, it depends. Though there is no written rule or statutory requirement. Statutory means legal requirement that requires a company to respond to all the queries. You can say like it's on mercy of company and depends on which query you are asking. So not always the management would be answering your queries, but yeah, there are pretty good chances that if you contact the management in the ways I've told you, I've mentioned earlier, pretty good chances are that your queries would be answered by the relevant authorities and the management person. And last but not the least, the responses may differ from situation to situation as well as the company to company. So yeah, there is no written rule कि company आपको respond ही करेगी, but it's better to try to reach out to the company. And usually all the all the blue chip companies, this is my personal thing, like I believe that all the blue chip companies are prudent in answering all the investors relations query. So yeah, this was the today's topic about reaching out to management. There are many chances where investors ask me how do I solve this query. So I thought making a video on this and help you guys out. Do share this with your friends so they too would be enjoying, and they too would be reaping the benefits of reaching out to management and ask the relevant queries. That's it for today from my side. See you next time. Goodbye.